So how do you find work as a virtual assistant? You could join a service like Fiverr or Upwork, where you are competing with thousands of other people who are selling their services virtually, many of whom are overseas, and can offer a much cheaper rate. In short, you could spend a lot of time working for not a lot of pay, or you could find your people and charge what you are worth. But how do you find your people? That's another area where Elite Blog Academy can help. Not only does it teach you the step-by-step framework needed to create a successful, profitable, and sustainable online business, but it also provides an amazing community and support network of like-minded individuals, all of which have come to us with amazing ideas, talents, and useful skills. And what we've realized is, while being an entrepreneur feels kind of like being a one-woman band at first, at some point you have to expand beyond doing it all yourself. You're going to need a team to help you. There is number 6-figure or 7-figure blogger out there who is still creating all the graphics, writing all the content, producing and starring in all the videos, creating all the products, updating all the plugins, and handling all the promotion all by herself. Maybe you've dabbled in a few of these areas trying to get a business or blog off the ground, but you found that there are areas you were really good at and loved doing and others not so much. Maybe you just don't want to work 80-hour weeks as an entrepreneur, so you can quit your 9-to-5 job. But here's the secret: whether you are looking to make a little extra cash working from home a couple of hours a week, working full-time, or even starting your own business as a virtual assistant, Elite Blog Academy is the perfect fit. One of the hardest things to do as an entrepreneur is letting go of tasks and outsourcing them to other people. If you think about it, this person has built their business, and handing off some of the reins, no matter how small, is hard. When they do so, they want to know that their new assistant is going to get it. They want to know that their assistant understands that their assignments are not just boxes to check off on a list. They want them to understand exactly how their tasks fit into the bigger picture and how they impact the business as a whole. That is what our students get from Elite Blog Academy, a community of success-minded individuals who have learned that ships in the harbor rise together. So we build each other up to succeed, instead of so many other so-called blogging communities that focus on comparing and tearing others down. Despite the name, we have had so many students come through that either knew they did not want to have their own blog, but understood the importance of understanding the framework of a successful online business to stand out among their peers, or that were on the fence about having their own blog, and once they got started realized they were meant to spread their wings in a certain area as part of a team. And that is one of the amazing things about this course. It is not a one-size-fits-all, and these students are every bit as successful in EBA as those who have their own blog. And we love seeing prospective and current students be able to identify and achieve that potential and not close the door. In addition to the value of the content of the course for virtual assistants, it is also an amazing community for learning and even networking, which our students affectionately refer to as the blogger love bubble. In fact, some of our current employees and contractors are former Elite Blog Academy students, and each has a different set of strengths that she contributes to the team, including customer service, project management, data analysis, content creation, and social media. And many of our alumni either work full-time for other bloggers, many of whom are also EBA alumni, or work as part-time VAs to build their own businesses.